Did you know Adobe Express now has a Classrooms feature? We're so excited. On your left menu, choose the Classrooms icon. Let's go through how to create a class. To create a new class, click the Create Class button. Name your class. Choose your subject, your grade level. There's also a spot for adding the period if you have more than one class period. And then click Save. To create your first assignment, you can click Create Assignment. You will want to add students before creating your first assignment, so they'll be able to see it. To add students, you can click Manage Students in the top left corner, or you could click Add Students in the top right corner. You can see I don't have any students yet, so I'm going to click Add People, and I have two options. You can invite your students using a class code or link, or invite via Google Classroom. We're going to choose Invite using a class code or link. If you use the code, students will go to this web address and put in that code. I usually just copy the class link and share it through Clever or Schoology. You could also print a QR code or display a QR code for your students to scan. Once you're done, click Done. Then, as soon as you have your students, you can create your first assignment. To create your first assignment, click Create Assignment. Choose your assignment title. And make sure you put clear directions. This is what your students will see when they enter your assignment. Then choose your date. And make sure it's in the right class. We're in Dr. Lawson's Learners, so we're in the right place. You can choose from your stuff if you want to add a template for students to use, or you can allow students to choose their project type based on your assignment. I'm going to go ahead and allow students to choose an infographic, a poster, a presentation, or video. So when they get to my assignment, they'll have all of those options. They won't be able to create a web page or drawing for this assignment, but they can choose any of the other 4. And you're able to choose up to 5 project types for your students to start with. Once you've chosen, click Next. Now I can see all of my information is in here. I can save this as a draft if I'm not ready to publish yet, or I can check the student view to see what it's going to look like for my students. Then I can assign if I'm happy, or I can click Continue Editing. Once I'm happy with my assignment, I can click Assign, and now this assignment will be created for my students. I can simply copy this assignment link and put it in Schoology or Clever, and my students can click on it and start the assignment. If you need to come back and edit an assignment, you can do that here. You can also copy the link from here, and you can invite your students from here. When you go back to your classroom page, you'll see it's right here. And that's Adobe Express Classrooms.